Hi, I'm Maestro.
And I'm Maestra.
Maestro tan maestra. Where learning is fun and easy. The common animals. Do you know what are they? What animal is this? Very good, it is a cow. Next picture. What animal is this? Excellent, it is a carabao. How about this picture? What animal is this? Excellent, it is a horse. What animal does this picture shows? Amazing! This is a cat. Next picture. What animal is this? Excellent! It is a zebra. Next picture. It is a dog. How about this? It is a tiger. Next picture. What is this? Excellent! It is a lion. How about this? It is a monkey. How about this picture? What does it show? Very good! It is an elephant. Next picture. It is a giraffe. How about this? It is a snake. How about this one? A kangaroo. Next. It is a turtle. How about this? Amazing! These are birds. What animal is this? It is a duck. Next picture. It is a hen. What animal is this? A pig. How about this? Great! This is a goat. What animal is this? A crocodile. Next. A spectacular, a shark. Let's have an activity. Identify the following animals. Let's answer. Number 1, it is a hen. Number 2. Very good. A kangaroo. Number 3. Amazing! This is a lion. Number 4. It is an elephant. Let's have another activity. Identify the following animals. Comment down below your answer. Goodbye for now. See you in our next lesson. Maestro, tan maestra. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.